welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to tie this pretty bow using 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire. If you enjoy this bow tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. I made this bow to go on a cute bunny I made using materials from Dollar Tree. So if you haven't seen the bunny wreath tutorial, I will link it in the description box for you. So for this bow, you're going to need 3 different colors of the 1.5 inch width ribbon with wire. And I picked up my ribbon at Sam's Club this spring in store. First, you're going to let out a tail and make a loop and pinch it in your left hand. Go the other side, make another loop the same size as your first loop. Go back to the first side, make another loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand. Check to make sure the loops are the same size. Go back to the right side, make another loop. Check to see if your loops are the same size. Let out a tail, keep it pinched in your left hand or your right hand. Now we're going to add our second color directly on top of the first, so just place it directly on top of the first color. Keep it pinched in your hand. Make another loop. Check to make sure it's the same size as your first color loops. Sometimes when you have a design on your ribbon, you have to twist the ribbon to keep the design on top. So it's important to make your loops the same size each time. So kind of check. And here I'm twisting the ribbon to keep the design on top. So I have 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right with the second color. Now I'm letting out a tail. Now I'm going to go in with my last color, and this ribbon's not hardly as good a quality as the first 2, so it's a little more difficult to work with. So I'm just placing it on top of the other 2, making a loop, keeping it pinched tightly in my left hand, trying to make sure and get the loops the same size as the other loops. Going to make another loop on the right side, keeping it pinched tightly in my hand. So I'm going to make 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right, then let out a tail with this color too. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. There's lots of different ways to make bows, and there's lots of different styles of bows. So I will link my bow tutorial playlist in the description box just in case you'd like to check out some other bow tutorials. Now I'm taking a zip tie and wrapping it nice and tight around the center of my bow. It's very important to use wired ribbon because the loops will stand up and hold their shape better. It's just easier to work with. So if you're going to splurge on something, I would splurge on good quality ribbon. So if you're buying your ribbon at Sam's Club, kind of check the swatches on the side and just kind of feel to see which ones are better quality than others. And then I'm dovetailing the ends, fold the end in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the end. Just kind of dresses up your bow, or you could cut it at a slant or knife cut. And then now I'm fluffing and shaping my bow. I like to put my hand in each loop just to open up the bow. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to get the bow shaped just like you want. Take your time and be patient. And it just takes practice and patience. Once you get the bow shaped just like you want, then I'm going to take some 20 gauge floral wire and thread it underneath the zip tie. That way I can easily attach the bow to my wreath or whatever craft project I'm working on. And this is just 20 gauge floral wire, and you can pick it up at Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart, places like that. So just thread it underneath the zip tie, and then you can attach the bow to your craft project. And here's my beautiful bow ready to put on my bunny wreath. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Thank you guys so much for watching.